All right, we are on our third reading of the poem. We read the poem a third time. And this time we're looking at rhythm and rhyme and the rhyme scheme or the pattern and the number of stanzas that are in the poem. So if you watched the videos, hopefully you did, on stanzas and on rhyme scheme, you would have had some background knowledge on this. If you look here, let's look at how many stanzas there are. Remember, stanzas are just like paragraphs in prose. It's how the lines are grouped together. So this is stanza 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there's 9 stanzas altogether. Now with the rhyme scheme, we're not going to talk about internal rhyme quite yet. We're just going to talk about end rhyme. We're looking for the pattern of rhyme, if there is any, at the end of each line within each stanza. So if I look at stanza 1, I notice that night and bite are the only 2 that rhyme. So the rhyme pattern or scheme for the first stanza would be A, B, C, and then back to B because night and bite rhyme. Then we're going to move on to the next stanza. We're going to start with the letter D, E, F, and we're going to repeat the E because expensive and extensive rhyme. Next stanza, we're going to start now with G, H, I, and H because packs and yaks rhyme. We're going to start in the next stanza with J, K, L, and K because seals and whales rhyme. In the next stanza, we're up to M, N, O, and N. Bears and mares rhyme. And then up here, we're at P, Q, R, Q. Buzzards, lizards rhyme. S, T, U, T. Cats and bats rhyme. And here we are, V, W, X, W, because chain and explain rhyme. And then here we're going to do Y, Z, double A, and back to Z because bother and other rhyme. So if you're looking at this for the whole poem sense, you can see that in every single stanza, lines 2 and lines 4 rhyme. Kind of helps the author most likely pick this rhyme scheme just to sort of help the poem flow. So double check your graphic organizer, make sure you have that answer and that you understand the rhyme scheme of this poem.